Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, a massive world, made almost entirely of gas. From space, its colorful cloud bands reveal a planet constantly in motion. A single day on Jupiter is unlike anywhere else in the solar system. The giant planet spins incredibly fast, completing one rotation in less than 10 hours. As Jupiter rotates, enormous cloud systems race around the planet at tremendous speeds. These clouds form powerful jet streams that circle the planet in wide bands. Between these bands, storms form and collide inside the turbulent atmosphere. Some of these storms grow to incredible sizes. The most famous of them is the Great Red Spot. This enormous storm has been raging for more than 300 years. It is so large that Earth itself could fit inside the storm. Deep inside Jupiter's clouds, lightning flashes through towering storm systems. These storms release energy far greater than most storms on Earth. As the planet continues to rotate, new storms appear while others fade away. Jupiter's atmosphere never stays still for long. Powerful winds constantly reshape the planet's swirling cloud patterns. Even from orbit, the atmosphere looks like a vast ocean of moving clouds. Throughout a single Jovian day, these storms evolve and transform. Watching Jupiter for just a few hours reveals a world in constant change. A day on Jupiter is a powerful reminder of the extreme forces shaping the giant planet. As Jupiter continues its rapid rotation, the entire atmosphere moves, like a giant spinning machine. Massive cloud bands circle the planet at speeds reaching hundreds of kilometers per hour. These bands form powerful jet streams that separate different layers of the atmosphere. Where these streams collide, enormous storms begin to form. Some of these storms grow into gigantic vortices, lasting for years. Others merge together to create even larger systems. The most famous storm on Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. This enormous vortex is larger than the entire planet Earth. Winds inside the storm can reach incredible speeds. The storm has been raging for centuries without stopping. Around it, countless smaller storms swirl through the cloud layers. Lightning flashes illuminate the deeper parts of the atmosphere. These lightning bolts are far more powerful than those on Earth. The deeper scientists look, the more violent Jupiter's atmosphere becomes. Thick clouds of ammonia, water, and other gases swirl together. Temperatures and pressures increase dramatically deeper inside the planet. Despite the chaos, Jupiter's atmosphere forms beautiful patterns, visible from space. Bright zones and dark belts stretch across the entire planet. Watching Jupiter for a few hours reveals dramatic atmospheric changes. Every moment on Jupiter is shaped by the immense energy driving its storms. Beyond the swirling clouds, Jupiter is surrounded by an enormous magnetic field. This magnetic field is the largest planetary magnetosphere in the entire solar system. It stretches millions of kilometers into space. Charged particles from the Sun become trapped inside this powerful magnetic environment. As these particles spiral along magnetic field lines, they rush toward Jupiter's poles. There, they create spectacular auroras, far larger than those on Earth. These glowing lights shine constantly above the giant planet. Some auroras on Jupiter are powerful enough to release enormous amounts of energy. Deep below, lightning storms continue to rage inside the planet's thick atmosphere. These lightning bolts can be several times stronger than those on Earth. Jupiter's clouds hide an incredibly deep and violent atmosphere. Beneath the visible layers, pressures and temperatures rise rapidly. Powerful convection currents move heat from the planet's interior. These rising currents help fuel the enormous storms above. Scientists believe Jupiter's atmosphere may extend thousands of kilometers downward. The deeper we look, the more extreme conditions become. Yet from space, these violent processes create beautiful patterns of clouds. Bright zones and dark belts wrap around the planet like giant ribbons. Every hour on Jupiter reveals new movements within the atmosphere. Even during a single Jovian day, the giant planet is constantly changing. Jupiter does not exist alone in space. It is surrounded by a vast family of moons. More than 90 moons orbit the giant planet under its enormous gravity. The four largest are known as the Galilean moons. These worlds are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each of them is unique and fascinating in its own way. Io is the most volcanic world in the entire solar system. Europa hides a global ocean beneath its thick icy crust. Ganymede is the largest moon known to exist, even bigger than the planet Mercury. Callisto is an ancient world, covered in countless impact craters. As these moons orbit Jupiter, their shadows sometimes move across the planet's clouds. From space, these shadows appear as dark circles drifting across the atmosphere. Jupiter also has a faint ring system made of dust and debris. Although much thinner than Saturn's rings, they still circle the giant planet. Jupiter's enormous gravity shapes the environment of the entire outer solar system. Many asteroids and comets are captured or redirected by its powerful pull. For this reason, Jupiter is sometimes called the guardian of the solar system. Even as storms rage across its atmosphere, the giant planet continues its rapid rotation. In less than 10 hours, Jupiter completes a full day. During that time, its clouds, storms, and lightning never stop moving. A single day on Jupiter reveals a world of immense power, endless storms, and extraordinary beauty.